Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yumna Feras Nasution with student identification number 2024-32077 from Information System PST. So today I'm going to show my report. I have two reports, which is theory report and practice report. In theory report, I explain about the basic formulas for Excel, which is consists the maximal, minimal, count, round, round up, round down, and summary. I also explained the frequency distribution table for the basic formulas, which is consists range, number of classes, class width, and then upper and lower class limits, also frequency, relative frequency, cumulative frequency less than, and more than. So I have a practice report too, which is consists the step by step for the practice Excel. And I'm going to have the live session for the practice report. So I already have the clean Excel for I input the data. So we already have the data here, and we need to search the nominal for this function. Now we want to search for the maximals. We need to use the equal symbols and write the max and click twice here and then block all the data and press enter. So the number already exists. Also for the minimal, we use the same way, equal symbols and then mean. Now it appear and then block all the data again and enter. For the n also the same, but the formula is count and block all the data again. Yes. And for the range, the formula for the range is maximal minus for the minimum. And the step is like this. We block the maximum numbers and then we add the minus or the hyphen symbol and then block the minimum number and press enter. And for the number of classes, the formula is 1 plus 3.3 times log n. Wait, I forgot to add the equal symbol. So for all the formulas, we need to add the equal symbol. Now it appears for log, and we choose this n. So this is the correction for our writing because we didn't have the n brackets here. So the program want to accept this correction to allow us to run the formulas. Click yes, and it's appear. And for the class width, we need the formula range divided by the class width. For the divided, we use the slash symbols and click the with class width, and then we enter it. Now, we already have the numbers here, but there's a lot of numbers behind the comma, so we need to round it so it only consists a number. So the formula is round here. We block the number and then we use a semicolon and point out the 0 there. And it's already have one number here. It goes well with the class width, but we need to make it round up or make it the higher number because this already consists the 7 behind the comma. So we use round. We choose the round up here and block the data again and semicolon and 0 and enter. So it already appear for all the function for the basic formulas. Now we move to the frequency distribution table. So we have the upper and lower class limit. And for the lower class first, we need to input the minimum number here. Press enter, the number will be appear. And for the upper class limits, the formula is the lower class plus the class width. We need to press the F4 so the number will not mistaken and the number will be appear. Now for the lower class again, the formula is 1 plus the upper class here and press enter. So for the next upper class, we pull this square in the corner so the number will appear with the same formula. Now we block all this and pull it down so the number and the data will appear with the same formula like this. And then wait, I'm going to zoom it first. Okay. Now for the frequency table, the formula is the upper class with the data here. But first, we need to block all of this and write the equal symbol again. And we search for the frequency here. Now block all the data. Okay. Block all the data here. And press the semicolon for divided it. And then block all the upper class here. And we click Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. Now all the numbers will appear. Now for the relative frequency, the formula here is the first frequency here, and then divided by the n, and then you press the F4 again. Wait, I'm going to demonstrate it. First plus is equal, and then we block here, and then slash, and then the n. Now we block this and press F4, and then we need to times it with 100. So the star symbol here is 4 times. Now we press enter, and we can decrease the zero number of the decimal. Now we click this, decrease this. So I just want 5 number after the comma here. And if we pull it down, it will appear like the last time again. Now it appears. Now for the cumulative frequency less than, we use the summary, this sum, and we choose the frequency here and put the colon and block again and press for F4. The same thing again, we pull it down so the formula will goes the same. Now for the cumulative frequency is more than, the same thing again, but we block all the data for the frequency. We block all the frequency data, and same thing again, we press the F4 and enter. So the last thing is we will add the total of frequency using the summary. We block all the data here and press enter. Now it's done. Since everything is finished, I will end my practicum report. If there are any mistake in words, I apologize. Finally, I say thank you.